Our customer, Julia, is a facilities manager with a question about a product she's purchased, so she visits our Supremo HVAC website. A chat inlay appears offering to help. When her information is provided, the digital assistant can search customer information and purchase history, offering relevant details. Julia asks about the warranty policy, and thanks to natural language processing and adaptive decisioning, Julia discovers she qualifies for a refund. Thanks to Oracle Knowledge Management's intelligence, Julia receives a relevant article when she asks to start a return. After confirming the item, Julia asks to speak with someone. The customer experiences a seamless handoff to the service agent, who instantly receives the full digital assistant transcript. Julia asks a question about product availability that the sales rep needs internal help to answer, posting in the Help Collaboration tool. Collaboration dialog is appended into a conversational thread within the agent console, so Julia is quickly updated with the good news. Days later, service monitoring for IoT notices an electronic sensor near failure in Julia's newly installed air filters, triggering a ticket that automatically appears in the service center. After unsuccessfully trying to remotely reset the asset, a service appointment is scheduled with the field service team, alerting the field technician. The customer receives an email confirming the appointment date and can track the service truck with an app. The field service technician can now fix the air filters, creating another satisfied customer.